What's up guys? Earlier sumali yung company namin sa Alay Lakad for 51st araw ng Davao del Norte. We're a little bit disappointed because when we get there on the Capitol ground, ubos na yung dapat sana breakfast namin, and so yun nga, na pagdating namin ng the Capitol ground, hindi namin in-expect na mauubos. Puti pa yung last year na Alay Lakad, sobrang daming pagkain, but this time guys, walang kahit na anong natira. Today guys, I am going to Comval, and I hope my setup for today is working, my mic is working. And yesterday I modified my camera case so I can plug my battery pack on my camera, so I have a lot of wires on my helmet chin. So guys, if you are traveling almost every week or every month here at Comval, may mga road lane dito na medyo naiba na. Kung dati yung mga separator lane dito is white lang, ngayon guys, it's already yellow lane. And this is my third time to go to the Comval na iba na yung lane separator. So guys, eto na yung sinasabi ko na lane separator. It's already color yellow. Dati pwede, kung galing ka ng Comval, pwede kang dumaan dito na side. So as of today, dun na sa kabila yung hindi na asfalto. Last time dito, etong linya na dinadaanan ko, ito yung linya na dapat sana papuntang Tagum, but as of today, it's already on the right lane going to Comval. So I'm just going to use the lane that I'm usually using to go to Comval. So kasi medyo mahirap yung linya dun sa dito sa kabila. It's too wide and mahihirapan ka mag-adjust, kasi lalo na pag halos every week ka dumadaan sa kalsadang to, and sobrang nakakapanibago, lalo na kapag galing ka na ng Comval and going to Tagum. So yun yung maraming nalilito, or dun na part of this road ay maraming nalilito, kaya nakukuha nila or what the heck tong kamoting to sige nga kuya, sige, let's try, come on, let's try. Come on kuya, go. So there's a Kamote on my back. I don't know if I can still handle this, because that's a XRM 125 and this is a that's NMAX there. So yun, now let's see the move of this Kamote. Oh kuya, wala namang dapat i-banking dun eh. Oh yeah. Oh, saan ka? Oh, saan ka? Oh, Diba? Ang galing, 2 linya yung kinuha. So, guys, we're already in Mawa, and today we are going to Monte Vista. So guys, this road is always so new for me because medyo sinapawan na nila ng espalto. And if you guys are riding with your club, this lane will be the best lane para bitawan kayo ng lead man nyo. So at this moment, guys, we are going to Nabunturan before we go to Monte Vista, because Nabunturan is next from Mawag, and already in Nabunturan. After Nabunturan, guys, it's Mongkayo. And isa pa nga pala, guys, dito ka lang kakakita motorcycle na kasya ang 8 tao kasama na yung driver. Or some parts here of Comval, there's a lot of, they call Skylab also, pampasahero rin siya, pero kayang magkarga ng 7 tao or 8 tao kasama na yung driver. I hope I am going to spot one of the Skylab here at Comval with the 6 or the 7 passengers on it. So I hope we're already in Monte Vista, guys. So thank you guys for watching this episode. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Thank you guys so much. Please subscribe on this channel. Peace out.